Hey, what's up? Ike Paz, and I got a brand new software tool to help you with your Amazon KDP publishing and publishing your books in general. Okay, so a lot of people don't know that Google Books is an actual place to get books from and to sell books from. Okay, and this is a great way to indirectly get information about Amazon KDP books because if they're searching on Google, then they're searching on Amazon. The tricky thing about Amazon is that Amazon's API, or actually Amazon doesn't give away search value. Okay, you can't get an accurate number of searches when people search for something on Amazon. The keywords, you can't get search value from that. They don't allow it. Amazon does not provide that information, I should say. However, Google does, which is a beautiful thing. That means we can get information on what's being searched for on Google easily, and this kind of again can we can use in turn on sites like Amazon KDP. So I created this little tool right here. It's called Books and Audio Keyword. I can't put Google in there because, well, Google, it's copyright. It's its own entity, so I can't use their word Google in it. It's not an official Google tool. However, what it does pull from Google the keywords it gets out of Google, right? Not only books but audiobooks, right? So let me again, if you ever need to learn how to use this tool, just click on this big red button here. So here we have seed keyword and just paste it in there. Let's put unicorn coloring book. Now we can click get ideas. We can turn off books or turn off audio. I want to switch them on. Okay, we have to have one or the other turned on. Okay, I'm going to have both of them turned on and click get ideas. Now this can go off and get me the ideas for this book. Okay, and there's a bunch of titles, long tail titles, and we have only audios here. We have books here, and all we have to do is copy it. If we want just one of the titles or one of the keywords being used, we just copy it right here. We can copy the KDP list, okay, or we can copy all of it. Very simple, and you can use it on a notepad, whatever you want to do with it. It's really up to you. So this is a very neat little tool. Instead of going to Google Books itself and searching this online, and this is tedious and not exact, you can just use this little tool to get all that information in one simple search. Okay, and again, if you don't know how to use it, you can use this. You can click on this red button, learn how to use this tool here, and I'll show you how to do it. Okay, very simple. And again, if you want access to this tool, check out the link below. I'll show you how to get it. It's very simple, and I hope you use it. Let me know your thoughts on it, and if you make use of this on a weekly basis. That's how many times I publish something on Amazon KDP. You could publish on Google Books as well, but again, when it comes to publishing books online, Amazon KDP still has the lion's share when it comes to buyer traffic. So I recommend starting there. But again, you can find out what's on Amazon KDP or what's going to sell on Amazon KDP by using Google Books. Okay? Be good. Take care. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this video useful. Be good.